everybody, and welcome to Mad Scientist Club. Today we're doing magic milk. What you need to do this is a plate, whole milk, food coloring. Here I have got the normal pack, the red, blue, green, yellow. And then over here I have pink, a sort of neon yellow, a aqua, and another pink, lighter pink color. I also have Dawn dishwashing liquid here and some Q-tips. So the first step is to put our milk onto our plate. I'm doing it just in the bottom bowl part, like this. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move the camera so that it is looking at our plates closer up so that you can see what happens next in the experiment. All right, you don't get to see me. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we'll see. I'm going to take some red and put some right across the middle, I think. And then I'm going to take some yellow and put it in between the reds. And then I'm going to get some green and put it between the yellows. And then I'm going to add a few drops of blue. All right. You can see that the food coloring is not really moving very much. It's pretty much staying where I dropped it. It might have got a little bit bigger. That's because milk has fat in it, especially whole milk has fat in it. Well, this is Dawn dishwashing liquid, which cuts fat. So let's see what happens when we take some Dawn and we put it. Look at that. Whoops. You see how it all moved over there? The surface tension that was caused by the fat in the milk was broken up by the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Now you can do fun things with it if you want to. Make yourself a neat design, maybe. Let's try it again with the other colors. Put one here. And then I'm going to put one here. Oh, look what that one did. That's interesting. And then I'm going to put this one here. Well, hope I didn't get it all over everything when I dropped it. Let me give me a towel. All right, and then the aqua color. All right. This time, instead of putting it on the side, I'm going to put it in the middle. Let's see what happens. Wow, that is such a neat design. And you can see I've tried putting more, and it's not doing anything. And let's swirl this around and have a little bit of fun with it. making a neat milk design. So, called magic milk because of the layer surface tension caused by the fat in the milk is disrupted when you stick your Dawn dishwashing liquid. And as you can tell, it's not doing anything anymore. All right, this is called magic milk. I hope you come back and do another experiment with Mr. Butch and the Mad Scientist Club. See you next time.